Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good morning students. How are you today? I hope all of you are okay. Today, we will study lesson 8. Bentengan is interesting. In this lesson, you will study the simple present tense, adverbs of time, and season and types of weather. Bentengan. Look at the picture. The children are playing bentengan. Now, please read the text. Bentengan is one of many traditional games in Indonesia. It is said that bentengan is adaptation of the way Indonesian people fought against the colonizers. To play bentengan, we need two groups that consist of 4 or 8 people each. Each group has to find a base or fortress. Bentengan is a fun and complex game. It requires good teamwork and strategy. Furthermore, playing bentengan can train one's strength and endurance. Bentengan adalah salah satu permainan tradisional yang ada di Indonesia. Disebut bentengan karena mengikuti cara bangsa Indonesia untuk melawan penjajah. Untuk bermain bentengan, kita membutuhkan 2 grup atau 2 regu yang terdiri dari 4 atau 8 orang masing-masing. Masing-masing kelompok harus mempunyai bentengnya. Bentengan adalah permainan yang menyenangkan. Permainan ini membutuhkan kerja kelompok atau tim dan strategi. Selebihnya, bermain bentengan dapat melatih kekuatan dan kekompakan. That's about bentengan. Okay? After you know about bentengan from the text, now please answer the questions. What is the text about? The text is about bentengan game. What is the story behind bentengan? Bentengan is adaptation of the way Indonesian people fought against the colonizers. How many children are needed to form a group in the game? We need 2 groups that consist of 4 or 8 people each. What is good about bentengan? Playing bentengan can train one's strength and endurance. Okay, students, that's all about bentengan. After we study about bentengan, now we will study about times. 7.30 in English is, it is 7:30. 7.00 it is 7 o'clock. 6.30 it is 6:30. 7.15 it is 7:15. 1.00 it is 1 o'clock. 7.45 it is 7:45. 7.05 it is 7:05. Jadi 30 menit itu gunakan half. Kalau lebih seperti 6.30 it is 6:30, dibaca dari belakang 6 pas lebih half 6 lebih 30. Jika 15 menit gunakan quarter. Seperti 7.15 dibaca dari belakang 7 pas lebih quarter 15 7 lebih 15. Sedangkan 7.45 dibacanya it is quarter to 8 dari belakang 8 2 kurang quarter 15 8 kurang 15. Sedangkan untuk angka selain 15 dan 30 bisa dituliskan seperti 0705 menjadi it is 7:05. Oke, jelas anak-anak? Ini adalah tentang waktu, adverbs of time. After we study about times, we will study about seasons. In Indonesia, there are 2 main seasons, rainy and dry season. The rainy season or wet season is characterized by heavy rainfall during a certain period of time. Usually, The rainy season lasts from October to March. During that time, some areas in Indonesia will experience strong rainfall. Sometimes it results flood or landslides. Di Indonesia ada dua musim, yaitu musim hujan dan musim kemarau. Pada musim hujan ditandai dengan hujan yang berat yang berlangsung pada waktu tertentu. Biasanya musim hujan terjadi pada bulan Oktober sampai Maret. Selama musim ini, beberapa daerah di Indonesia akan mengalami hujan berat. Kadang-kadang akan menyebabkan banjir atau tanah longsor. The dry season in Indonesia is influenced by the monsoon. In Indonesia, the dry season occurs between April to October. The humidity is low and sometimes drought or fires in the forest can occur. A prolonged period of a dry season can make the agriculture industry suffer because of the water shortage. Musim kemarau di Indonesia dipengaruhi oleh angin musim. Di Indonesia, musim kemarau terjadi antara April sampai Oktober. Kelembapan rendah dan terkadang terjadi kekeringan atau kebakaran hutan. Waktu masa musim kemarau yang berkepanjangan dapat menyebabkan industri pertanian melemah karena kekurangan air. Ya, anak-anak, itu adalah teks atau bacaan yang menjelaskan tentang musim yang ada di Indonesia, yaitu ada dua musim, musim hujan dan musim kemarau. Musim hujan pada bulan Oktober sampai Maret, sedangkan musim kemarau dari bulan April sampai dengan Oktober. After we study the lesson in front of the material, now match the ideas in red box with the words in the blue box by drawing the lines. At red box, there are 5 sentences, and also at the blue box. Now, please read the first sentence. A pillar or a stone. In Bentengan, it can be the base. If we win the game, victory. We play the game outside. Disebutnya outdoor game. The weather is hot. Ya, dry season. In dry season, the weather is hot. Floods are everywhere. Is at wet season. Okay, students? Okay, that's all the material of lesson 8. Thank you for your attention. See you and wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.